Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. Oh.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Roger Mills County in western Oklahoma, northwestern Beckham County in western Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Sweetwater, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Reydon, Sweetwater, Crawford, Durham, and Dempsey. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.